In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and earn Robux here for free in Roblox. It really is super simple, so we're going to dive straight into this. Before we do though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to get this to actually pop up, what you're going to want to do is actually get onto Roblox on Google Chrome specifically. This is a brand new Roblox affiliated Chrome extension called RoEarn that Roblox is promoting, which essentially is going to give you Robux for every single purchase that you make here on Roblox. On top of that, you can actually use this code right here for a 5 Robux balance. So essentially, I'm going to show you how you can set this up. Begin by obviously copying this code right here, and then go ahead and select View Extension on Web Store, or what you can do is just open up a web browser and search up RoEarn and hit enter, and then it's going to be this first link just like so. It literally just launched and already has 3,000 users and almost a perfect 5-star rating, which is pretty awesome. Essentially, go ahead and select Add to Chrome and then hit Add Extension. And this is only going to work on Chrome, so keep that in mind. But once you do add it, it's going to bring you back to Roblox. Go ahead and hit skip and sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, it's going to show you something that looks like this. Essentially, enter in that invite code and then hit start using RoEarn. Now, if you want to support me, definitely make sure that you're using this invite code right here. I'll go ahead and put it in the pinned comment down below, so make sure you check that out. But essentially, now all you have to go ahead and do is just play Roblox and purchase things in the marketplace like usual. And whenever you purchase something here in the Roblox marketplace, you're going to go ahead and see exactly how much you're going to earn for getting it. It's like a percentage of every single one of them. It is pretty nice. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.